You won't believe what happens when you put aluminum foil in your garden. It's one of the simplest tricks, but the results are absolutely shocking. Most people only use foil in the kitchen, but in the garden, it works like magic. One of the biggest problems gardeners face is pests. Bugs, birds, even small animals that just won't leave your plants alone. But when you place aluminum foil around the base of your plants or wrap it around tree trunks, it reflects light in all directions, confusing and scaring away pests. Some insects, like aphids, hate the shine and stay far away. Birds, who love to snack on your fruits and vegetables, get startled by the reflections and avoid landing in your garden. But that's not all. If you mix small pieces of foil into your mulch, it helps repel certain soil pests and even improves light distribution, helping your plants grow stronger. Some gardeners even use foil under their plants to reflect sunlight onto the leaves, giving them an extra energy boost. And here's the best part. This trick costs almost nothing and can be reused over and over again. So before you throw away that used aluminum foil, try this simple gardening hack. You might be surprised at how well it works. Let me know if you've tried it and what results you got.